Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing good. This is another video of unboxing the Meesho product which I had recently bought. This is high demanding microphone collar mic which is used to record audio. This is the actual image of the collar mic, and this is the pouch or case I got with it. Let's open the product and see. Yeah, this is the clip which is used to hold the mic, and you can attach this clip to the collar. Actually, this is used to place the mic in a perfect place. The microphone was in good condition itself. This is the microphone which was wrapped well, and they mentioned it is of 1.5 meter in length, and yeah, it is. And this is the pouch or case which I got along with it to store the microphone in a good condition. And I am recording this video with the help of this microphone, and you people need to say how the audio quality is compared to the previous videos. And I'm happy with this product, and I received this product in 183 rupees. Actual price is 224. In discount I received for 183 rupees, and I say this is a paisa vasool deal. Thank you, Meesho. If you want to buy this product, I leave the link in the description. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.